Meaning of dripping.
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 Dripping. The term dripping refers to the act of liquid falling in drops or a thin stream. The resulting effect is a slow, steady flow of liquid that can be heard as it hits a surface. It can be caused by a variety of things, including condensation on pipes or gutters, leaks from faucets or roofs, or even natural phenomena such as rain or melting snow. The sound and sight of dripping can be both soothing and annoying, depending on the context, but it always involves a small, continuous stream of liquid making its way down a surface.